What's up guys, in this video we're gonna be pushing some envs to our deployment branch. I did a video on that should be next, and someone in the comment section recommended, by then I wasn't very familiar with envs, so I didn't know much about how to push them in deployment. So in this video, this will be basically focused on Netlify. We'll be using the CLI. So this is the app. We want to push some environmental variables. At the moment they are undefined in deployment because the envs, we haven't pushed any env, we haven't declared any envs in Netlify. So let's go back to our VS Code. So first things first, what you want to do is make sure you install Netlify. You install it globally on your system. For me, I have installed it. Let me just do this. Netlify state. Yeah, let me just check the status. Just some loading screens there. Current user, yeah, admin URL, and so on. So everything is set, my site is linked, and so on. So from here, what you want to do is Netlify link. That will enable you to link your project or your GitHub repo. You can search your project ID and so on from your details. Since my site is already linked, so what I'll do is I won't unlink it. I'll just add the environmental variables. Let's go back to our docs and see what it says. So what we're gonna do is go to the docs. We won't use this first one. I will skip all these scope functions and this kind of stuff. So what we'll do, we'll go here, get this switch site Netlify env, set the name of our secret key or variable, and then the value. So just copy this and probably paste. As you can see, I was trying to add something already. So as you can see, that's the API key. Then I press enter and it should add. Then the next one, yeah, it has added. So the next one we'll copy our key again, Netlify. We'll delete this, paste, and make sure to leave a space once you put the name of the key before you put the value. So we'll paste. Okay, we'll make sure we delete this first. Let's paste in our key, press enter, should be loading. Yeah, since it has set, is there a way for us to list? Let's check our docs. Okay, I think something like Netlify env list would do that. Taking some time, taking its sweet time, and voila, we can see. Should we show? No need. So as you can see, our values are added. So my guess is we'll have to do something like Netlify deploy so that the environmental variables are able to reflect, okay, let's do this build first. I'm sure we'll have to run a deploy for all the changes to take effect in our running site. Okay. So this is basically deploying. We are deploying from, what can I say? We are kind of deploying from our CLI. We're doing everything from our CLI. So yeah, it's kind of fun doing these things. So first you do netlify build, then deploy. We'll see if the changes reflect from our site, which is live. Huh. Interesting. So it hasn't yet reflected. Let's go back here. Follow the link. Open. Okay. I'm sure this one. Okay, let's go back to our site. Environmental variables. What does this say? Okay. I just had to go to mitigate or something like that. Okay, so I can see that we have our environment variables now. Let's just see if this works. Okay. Okay. Or maybe we will have to run a redeploy. Wait is so fast. So fast. Says site is live. Okay. Okay. Still giving me some weird things, but I can see that I can see my key and the ID. So as we can see, the keys have been added. What do you say? What's that saying? Okay, let's go back to our okay, let's go back to our environment variables. Okay, that's the API key, which is fine, and that should be fine. Okay, that's ID. Then key. API key is not valid. I think it's maybe the way we're doing this. Everything seems alright. Okay, let's do this. Let's list our keys again. Yes. Okay, maybe we missed something. Yeah. 1 over key. Why is it adding an E? Let's see how I was adding. Totally messed this thing up. So I'm gonna reset this. Then I'm gonna do the same for the other one. This should be done. Then we should do netlify build. After this, the site should work. Definitely should work. Then deploy. Vite is really something, And one thing I discovered for Vite worth mentioning is you have to use import.meta.env, not process.env. I don't know if process.env was deprecated or something, but yeah, that's what I found out when you're using Vite. So take note of this. So let's try the site now. Interesting. So my guess is we'll have to mitigate. So these haven't yet. Okay, these have been updated now. These are updated now. This should work now. Okay, everything is good. What I'll do, maybe close this, open the site. Okay, so what I'll try to do is let me just try to because all these are correct now, still giving me that weird error. Let's just initiate another deploy from around here. Go back here. Maybe still using the old key for some reason. Let's go back here and list them. Yeah, these things should be edited now. They should appear different. I don't know why. Okay, trigger deploy. Error. Deploy logs are currently unavailable. Interesting. Oh boy. Whatever that is. So we're gonna wait for this to deploy. Shouldn't take much long. In the meanwhile, oh yeah, probably something to do with cache and so on. So basically, just make sure you write the right API keys. Don't mess up, otherwise you end up with such problems. So that's how you push envs to Netlify using CLI. You can use the interface if you so wish, but yeah, like this I can make deploys locally and so on. Yeah, I guess that's just about it for this video. Peace out guys, take care.